ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Grusha Kalyan. Hello children, how are you all? Now, chapter number 1st of standard 8th that we will understand. Chapter 1st is which one? Rational numbers. Rational numbers are which numbers? That is very new, na? Now, rational numbers, in that first word is what? Rational. Rational, in that ratio is coming. Ratio is what you have learnt in your previous classes. Ratio is the number which has numerator, the number which has denominator. Correct? Or what it is? The number having numerator and denominator, that full number we say it as ratio. Okay? These ratio it is when we consider or we categorize into further, we say it is rational numbers. Okay, in previous classes you have learnt natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and now you will learn rational numbers. Okay children, we will understand these categories of numbers into with the form of a diagram. Okay, that diagram you have to keep it in your mind so that you don't forget. If you forget anything, this diagram should be there inside your mind. Okay, now look into this diagram. See, the first smallest circle is denoting naturals. Natural means they are the numbers which start from 1, then they go to infinite. The numbers which is starting from 1, then they go to infinite on the number line, then they are called it as natural numbers. We denote natural numbers with n. See children, natural numbers, in that n is the initial, so we denote it with n. Natural numbers starting from 1, then 2, then 3 and so on till infinite. Now that infinite number can be any number. You can say it is a small n. That small n can be any number, whichever it is your choice. You can keep any number. Now next number is what? Wholes. See, the wholes one is bigger than the natural numbers. That means in the wholes the naturals are included. Now wholes you can see 0 is written. Now what this 0 indicates? That the whole numbers start from 0. Then 0, then 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come. Okay, now if you want to write it, now how you will denote? With W, because here whole starting from W. So W is equals to, it starts from 0, then 1, 2, 3, then it goes to infinite. Okay, now next number it is integer. See children, this integer circle is bigger than the other two, means the whole numbers and the natural numbers. All these are included in the integers. Now integers, they are denoting with negative. That means what? See, integers, they are a combination of first positive numbers, then opposite of positive numbers is negative numbers. So they are the combination of positive numbers, negative numbers. Now wholes are also included. That means 0 is also included in the integers. That means integers are made up of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Now understand, if any question is there, 0 is positive or negative? So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay student? Now if we want to denote integers, we denote it with I. Okay? Initial letter of integers is I, so we denote it with I. Or we can denote with Z. It starts from infinite negative numbers. I am taking -2, then -1, then 0, then 1, 2 till infinite. Both the side of the number line infinite is there, between them negative, positive and 0 is there. So they are called as integers. Now next it is rationals. Now rationals, that circle is bigger, the biggest one. That means all the numbers are included in rationals. Okay, now which numbers can be included in rationals? Integers, that is negative, positive and 0. Even the decimals are also included in the rational numbers. How we can indicate? See, it is 6.7. So 6.7 we can write it to how? 67 upon 10. Why 10? Because after point only one digit is there. So we keep it as, if we want to remove point, we will keep down as 10. Now this is P by Q form. Rational numbers is what? Something is there on numerator and denominator. That full number we say it is a ratio, it is a rational number. Now next, minus 0.8. Negative, integer and it is a decimal, so it is included in the rationals. Okay, now what is the definition of rational numbers? A number is called as a rational number if it is in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q, they both are the integers and Q should not be equal to 0. See children, if Q is equals to 0, Q means the denominator. I am taking one example. Let's suppose 2 upon 0 I am taking. P and Q. Okay. Now see, P it is 2. Here 2 is integer. 0 is Q. 0 is also integer. But if I divide this, we cannot get the answer because it is undefined. So Q should not be equal to 0. That is the one condition which is there in the definition of rational numbers. Okay children, now coming to the denotation of rationals. Now rational numbers are denoted with Q, letter Q. Now why Q? Because the another name of rational numbers is quotient number. You have learnt in the previous classes about dividend, divisor. In that quotient was coming. That quotient we consider here as Q letter for denoting the rational numbers. Okay children, I hope you have understood the integers, then rational numbers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Now we will do one activity. Okay, in that activity you will understand more about rational numbers. See here, colorful tiles are there. How many tiles are there? Here 9 tiles are there. The question is asked that number of orange tiles is equals to how much? Now it is very easy. See, 2 orange tiles are there. But out of how many tiles? That is the question. So out of 9 tiles, there are 2 orange tiles. So how to write that? Out of 9 tiles, 2 orange tiles. So it is having numerator, denominator is the form of ratio. So it is a rational number. Now next, how many number of black tiles are there? Black tiles are how many? Only 1. So out of 9 tiles, only 1 is the black tile. Then number of blue tiles. There are 2 blue tiles. So out of 9, 2 are blue tiles. Next, the number of green tiles. How many number of green tiles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of how many? 9. So out of 9, 4 are green tiles. Okay. Now there is special rational number, that is 0. Now how it is a special rational number children? Because anything that is 0 we can write it 0 upon Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. If we divide 0 with 1, okay, then 0 divided by 2, 0 divided by 3, what is the answer? 0 only. So 0 is the only rational number in which we divided with any number, then we will get as 0. Okay children, now next. Now you know in rational numbers, natural numbers will come, then whole numbers will come, then integers will come. Now these three, that is rational, that is integers, then whole numbers, then natural numbers. These three we can denote it and convert into rational numbers. How we can convert? See, natural number if we are taking, let's suppose the example that is 2. 2, how you can write? 2 upon 1, can you write? Because if in the denominator nothing is there, that means it is 0? No, it is 1. Okay, divided by 1, that is answer is 2 only. Now 4 upon 2. If you go for simplification, 4 upon 2, what you will get? 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Answer is what? 4. So 4 upon 2 is rational number. But if we simplify, then it is converted into natural number. Same way, 8 upon 4, if I simplify, then it will be the answer will be as 2. Now next it is whole numbers. Whole we are taking as 0 as the first example. 0 we can write as 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 4. Okay, if we divided this, the answer is what? 0 only. These are rational numbers, but we get the answer as whole number. Now next, integers. Integer we have taken one example, -3. Now how we can write -3 as rational number? If I divide -3 with 1, I will get answer 3 or -3? -3. Then -9 upon 3 it is. If I simplify, can I simplify? In the table of 3, 9 is coming? Yes, it is coming. So 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So answer is -3. Same way in the table of 9, 27 is coming or not? Yes, it is coming. So 9 ones are, 9 threes are. So answer is -3. -3 we can write it in this forms, that is in the rational form. Understood, children? Now in the next video you will understand the properties of rational numbers. Okay, I'll brief a little bit in this video, that is 3 properties: closure, second is commutative, third is associative property. Now these 3 properties you will understand for these 3 different numbers. First one whole number, second integers, and third it is rational numbers. Now there are 4 operations if you have learnt. Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now these 3 properties are applicable in all these operations. That are the properties of rational numbers that you will learn in the next video. Thank you.